So here I am working on my 4 rectifier, 4 PMG rectifier board. So anyway, in progress setup here. Sorry for the shoddy camera work. That's what most of us do. We do our own work here. So this is the in at 2 6-inch 6 terminal strips. So there's 3 terminals per PMG or PMA with the rectifier removed from the casing, and it's coming down on a 3-wire. So goes into 4 switches, and comes out 3 wires that then go on to the rectifiers. And then I think what I'm going to do is run a jumper wire off of the rectifiers onto this strip. This is an 8, so that'll work out. And then go into either a what's up meter. Actually, I found a cheaper one on Amazon that had some really good reviews for it, so I'm going to try that out. And then I'm going to attach this to the terminal block on this end, and then the other 2 wires are going to go onto these commenting buses. And then from the commenting bus, I'm going to use one of these that I could put in a 4-gauge wire to run to the battery bank. And there'll probably a fuse in there somewhere, and switch. Probably a good idea to a fuse and a switch on there, which I could have got on my Amazon order if I thought about it this morning, but I didn't. So that's where I'm at. I used those little goobies so that I could get the these right up off the wood a little bit, just enough to get airflow. You know, I don't think these actually heat up all that much, considering it's only what it is. It's not the full rated capacity. It's 100 volts or something, 90 watts. I mean, you're probably not going to get it up to that capacity, but they're spaced away. And I was building it as a vertical board and wondering how I was going to position these all so I can read them. And maybe I'll still do it that way. That'll give me more space over here. But this was just a piece of wood that's been leaning up against a pole in the backyard for a while. You might even have seen it on other videos. So I didn't cut it down to fit, but it's working out. So it's just a matter where I could do this as a horizontal board, or I can do it this way and do it as a vertical board. So many decisions when you're doing things yourself. But that's where I'm at on this. I actually broke this off. You know, the first video had it's there. Look for it. That's right there. That's the post off the switch. So I had to order myself another switch, and I'm short a rectifier. So I had to order myself a rectifier. I did find a good deal on Amazon, $9, including shipping if you have Amazon Prime. So that actually works out pretty well. Other people have them for similar prices, but doesn't include shipping. So it's what it is, you know. Who do you want to keep in business, and where you want to save money? So that's where I'm at. It's probably going to be a week or so before I get this bowling board completed the way I want it, because I have to wait for a switch and a rectifier, and Probably should do a fuse. I think I have fuses. A switch. Don't have a switch. So I need a switch. See, I got switches up here that I can isolate the whole circuit from it, but those are going to stop, either do a dead on the brake on the PMG, or shut down or go free spinning. So I really should put a switch in, just so if I want to shut that circuit off the pan, off the batteries, I can. So I'm going to discuss this with you, because otherwise I probably would have went the other direction. Alrighty, YouTubers, ta-ta for now.